Hi, I'm Jamie, and a big welcome from the Bell & Cobble Lotus team. Today, I'm here to show you this Elise Sport 220 that we've just taken into stock. It's got the Toyota 1.8 supercharged engine in it, which produces 217 brake horsepower, 220 PS. It's finished in lovely Azure Blue. It's a three-owner car that's covered 2,700 miles, and it's for sale at £42,000. I'm going to give you a little walk around the car to show you some of the spec options and features on it. As I touched on earlier, this is finished in Azure Blue. Azure Blue is a Lotus heritage colour. They used it on the Elise Series 1, Series 2s and this sort of Series 3 that you see here today. It's a beautiful colour, very much a timeless blue, which has been a real firm favourite with customers since it started production. On this Elise, it's got HID headlamps with daytime running lamps. You'll notice it's got the Lotus approved number plate on it. Being a Lotus main dealer, every car that we have for sale goes through a full Lotus approved inspection and also comes with 12 months Lotus approved warranty included in the price. The car is sat on silver alloy wheels with an AP 2-pot caliper. It's got Advanced Sport 16-inch tyres on the front and Advanced Sport 17s on the rear. One lovely feature on this car is it does have a factory hardtop. It's got a contrast matte black hardtop to go against the Azure Blue. And with all Elises, you've got the PPF protection on this rear quarter sill here, all included. Being a facelift Elise Sport 220 model, you've noticed it's removed the two lights that are traditionally here. You've now got a fog light on the right hand side and you've got a reversing light on your left hand side. Let me show you into the engine bay area. As I touched on earlier, it's a Toyota 1.8 engine producing 217 horsepower or 220 PS. That equates to an impressive 0 to 60 time of 4.2 seconds and a top speed of 145 miles an hour. One of the beautiful things about these engines is they're really robust and cheap to maintain. Service intervals on the car are every year or 9,000 miles, whichever comes first. You may remember I said there's a factory hardtop included, which means there is also a soft top with this car. Every Elise Sport 220 comes with a soft top as standard. Let me show you into the boot. In the boot area, you've got your battery cover here, which will house the toolkit on the side. You've got your owner's manual and service book here, and your soft top is stowed in here. There is quite a bit of usable space if you push into the corners, and very much on this side, we go under the clam of the car. This car benefits from an Alcantara trim pack. What that means is you've got black leather on the outer part of the door card here, and then you've got an Alcantara teardrop centre. It's contrasted with silver stitching. Going around to the driver's seat, this is also reflected. You've got black leather on the outer shell of the seat, and then Alcantara and all the contact patches of the seat. Again, silver contrast stitching. You'll see the Lotus emblem at the top is in silver. This car also benefits from silver interior colour pack. That means you've got silver on the eyelets here and other features of the car. Options of this car include the silver interior colour pack. What that includes is a silver surround on the gear selection, silver on the HVAC unit, silver on the seats in the headrest around the eyelets, and if you can see it here, on the window controls, also a silver surround. This particular example has aircon, which is a real must. That's a feature. It includes stereo and speakers. This particular example also has cruise control, which is on this indicator stalk. It comes with the full carpet, so the chassis would normally be exposed. It's covered with carpet, which makes the cabin a little bit quieter, and it also has sound insulation as part of its options. enjoyed the vehicle presentation today of this lovely Elise Sport 220. If you have any further questions, please contact the Lotus sales team on 01483 28 1000 and press option 1 for sales. Alternatively, click on the contact button below. Thank you.